tell us about the highlights of the meeting. Could you, for those of us who make it to Stockholm, which I hope is everybody, then what are we going to see that will further this aim?
I think that from the basic science point of view, because you will see a lot how you actually can translate that further. And we start with the metabolism, which go back to the 1800 years when we started something wrong with the metabolism of the cancer. Now we're back to that again. How do we understand the metabolism? And then you go further on into different cancer genes, and how do we know, what do we know about the cancer genes, how can we target, and then you go in to find the specific mechanism of each of the genes and the proteins, and you have new imaging type of technology that comes in. How can you visualize these at the molecular level as well? So you have molecular imaging, not only imaging itself. So I think it will be a wealth of very interesting talks and symposia and roundtable discussions.
You were just going to say something there, David?
No, really just to sort of back up what Anne-Lise was saying, that what we have is, ECCO is all about multidisciplinarity. It's about integration and teamwork, something that Michael has stressed during his presidency. The fact that we are sitting very comfortably beside each other, elite scientists, simple doctors, shows that we build and learn from each other. And not only do we have the science coming from the bottom up, but I think we'll have some groundbreaking clinical studies there as well. I think at last we're seeing world leaders in oncology bringing their practice-changing trials to European meetings for the first time. We saw that in Milan, and I think we're going to see even more yet coming through Stockholm.
Yeah, I see the same tendency.
Yeah.
We will see very strong science from the basic science point of view. We will see very strong clinical science, and most importantly for this conference, we will see it intermingled from a multidisciplinary point of view and from a basic and clinical point of view. And that's a very unique scenario which we have here.